Why are you the way that you are?
This is the greatest company in the world!
Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, I kicked it by mistake.
You can't kick it by mistake.
Then pick it up if it bothers you.
No, you will pick it up.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can tell you what to do.
You do not tell me what to do. You do not tell me what to do.
Or what? Are you going to hit me?
Do you want it?
I don't want
Because you're
it.
asking for it. You're dying for it.
I'm fine.
Really?
Absolutely. I'm fine. Totally fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
Now, if you two don't mind, I'm going to bed before either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed, or worse, expelled.
Iron Man.
Wax on, wax off.
Do or do not. There is no try.
So welcome everyone to this wonderful program called Career Up, where we learn how to boost our career, how to first find out where our potential really lies, where our heart is, what is it that we want in our careers. So we are very fortunate to have Radhika Balakrishnan with us, who is an expert on this topic and will be guiding us through it. Before we start, let's just start with a short prayer and invocation to the higher. You can all take a deep breath and just follow. If you know the prayer, it's wonderful. You can chant at your end. Otherwise, you can just listen. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Thank you so much. Welcome. Hope you're having a beautiful start to a weekend. So, our expert for today is Radhika Balakrishnan, who is a career coach, purpose coach, mentor, and she is the founder of her very own program, Vivolve Labs, which is an experiential learning program. She says that her mission in life, and as part of this entire program, is to enable professionals and students discover their passion, their purpose, and empower them to design their own career path so that they lead a fulfilling, a complete life, and they discover their true infinite potential. She has been a career coach and mentor to students, professionals, and potential CXOs. CXOs means CTOs, CEOs, the top upper management. She's a certified counselor and mentor, a qualified chartered accountant by her education, an ex-director at Standard Chartered Bank with 14 plus years of overall banking experience, and an ex-founder of the online hyper marketplace City Goes Local. She is, of course, a volunteer at the Chinmaya Mission, who is organizing this program and has been very closely personally associated with it. She has conducted a number of transformational coaching workshops, namely Ordinary to Extraordinary, Being Superwoman, Living the Unlived, career planning, crossing the finish line, and career design program. She has had an enormous impact, empowering over 5,000 individuals, parents, teenagers, professionals, coaches with techniques of self-awareness, growth hacks, habit stacking that will help enhance the quality of their life. She has also led a fundraising drive to help frontline workers in these difficult COVID times. She's been invited as a guest speaker on various national, international, and government, corporate, as well as academic platforms. We are very, very, very happy to have you with us, Radhika ji. And you know, one amazing thing about Radhika ji is that she loves pushing the boundaries. So she loves going beyond the ordinary. In one of her fundraising drives to raise funds for the cause of women and children, she trekked 100 kilometers through the Sahyadri Mountains. She has taken adventurous and challenging treks to the Everest base camp. Oh, that's gold. And she is a passionate singer, and she has some beautiful performances on YouTube. Thank you so much for being with us today here. We're so grateful to have you. Thank you to all our participants for joining in for what seems to be a really, really exciting, power-packed session, which can definitely change our lives. It's up to us to take how much we want. The format will be, Radhika ji will be sharing some tips and techniques, some success hacks, some growth hacks, secret techniques for the next about 45 to 50 minutes. And the last 15-20 minutes will be for Q&A, where we can ask questions in a structured format, and we'll try our best to take all the questions that you have. Thank you so much. And without any further ado, I invite Radhika ji to please start.
So thank you so much, Vineet. It's indeed a great pleasure to be on this platform. And this is home ground for me. And it's not, you know, when you play on your home, it's like you need to be more prepared than when you play on a foreign platform, you know. So this certainly is something which is very dear to me. Chinmaya Mission has been a part of my life since I was a child. So for me, this is like coming home. And it's indeed a great pleasure. And thank you very much for that really, really warm welcome. And indeed, what may appear as something very exciting and daunting on my CV, believe me, it's not that difficult for you to do it if you are ever willing to do it. So as we move on to this session, Career Up. So few things, I would request everybody to come on video and be muted for a while. And when you wish to have an interactive session, please raise your hand. We will take it alongside if it is possible. If you have any queries, doubts, please put it on the chat. And we can kind of try and see if we need to take it then, or we'll take it at the end. And this will be a very interactive session. So your participation is what is going to make this session very alive, and you will get the maximum from the session when you are participating. So are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up. Great. For those who do not wish to come on video, please put yes on the chat box. Quick. How many yes I can see? Awesome. And if you come on video, it will be great. Awesome, superb. Yes. Everywhere it's yes. And I am also very excited. So great, let's get going. So before we start, quick thing. What is it that you would describe? How would you describe yourself in one word? So for example, if I say in one word, what it would be for me, I would say I am an explorer. So similarly, what is it that one word that will describe you? Think about that word and rename your name to that word on your icon. So there is this 3 dots against your name. So click there and rename yourself quick. So you're no more Nitin, Dhanashri, Ayushi, Anchal, you're all with that one word. Unfortunately, I won't change right now, but let me see. So we are all on the same page. Rename, yes. So did you all get it? So just put that one word, humble, absolutely right. Superb. Curious, superb. Adventurer, great. Others, quick. Type it and rename yourself on the chat. You don't have to put it on the chat box, rename yourself. And Vineet has brilliantly changed it to Sevak. Excellent. Calm. Shruti, change your word. Bold, brilliant, doer. Is Dhanurita a name or a quality? Okay, great, insightful, superb. And entrepreneur, excellent. So now use the chat box and tell me how many of you look forward to waking up in the morning and start Monday morning and starting your week. If you are very excited in the Monday morning, yes, my week has begun, put a yes. If you say, oh my God, this week has once again begun, put no. Okay, there are few yes, there are few no's. Okay, few yes, indifferent is okay, no excitement. Depends. Awesome. Superb. How many of you would want, so I go to the next question, how many of you would want to spend the rest of your life doing what you love? Say 1 or 0. 1 means yes, 0 means no. Oh wow, amazing. So I can say that everyone wants to spend the rest of your life doing something you love doing. But tell me, so this session is definitely to help you get some insights about how to make that happen. All of us want it, but many of us do not know how do you actually have it. So welcome to this session of whole new possibilities and opportunities. This 90 minutes that you are devoting here will help you discover at least 2 secrets. And if possible, I have kept one bonus secret also for you all. So if time permits, I will definitely share that, which will help you know your game, know your potential, and unleash the future that you would want to create. So let me begin with a short story. Everybody, I guess, likes to listen to stories, right? So here is a story of my life. Very short, quick one I will share with you. How many of you relate with this picture? Do you all know which movie? And do you all know what does he say? Anyone can one of you can just unmute and say, what does he say at this time?
Life is a race.
And?
You
That's
want
good.
to be the best.
Yeah.
If you don't fast, you will be die.
Yeah. If you don't run fast, you are like a broken anda. So he says, life is a race. If you don't run fast, you're like a broken anda. And believe me, that's exactly what was told. I think, how many of you relate with that or were told about it? Me included. So as a child, I was very interested in many things: music, dance, drama, and organizing, event management, studies, math, science, you name it, I would be there. But somehow as you move ahead, the people told me, no, focus on studies. Life is a race. You need to be ahead of it. You need to work for it. Forget everything else. What is your job going to give you determines who you are. what is your educational qualification determines who you are. And everyone by the time it was 10th standard kept asking me, pestering me, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? And of course, there is no place then to say that, I didn't know what I wanted to do. At 10th standard, I was like, oh yeah, maybe science, maybe commerce, maybe arts. I don't know. What is it that I have to do? So people told me, my well-wishers, including my parents, my friends, everybody told me, you know what? Finance is a growing field now. So don't look here and there, just join commerce. So I said, okay. If then they said, oh, science bahut tough hai, you will not get marks. And this is despite the fact that I got very good marks in 10. You will not score. They decided for me. I said, okay, if you tell me that I will not get, maybe I will not get. And I just walked away. I joined commerce. I didn't know what I was good at. I didn't know what I was interested in. My interests were all over, and my situation was something that nobody was able to help me out. Actually, you know how my situation was. I joined the college. I worked for, I was in the college, and then I was like this. How many of you feel like this? I would see some of them very, very happy in their own field. And then they were very, I would be like, how is it that somebody else is so happy with what they're doing? And why is it that I don't know what I want to do? But anyway, you need to go ahead with what you have. You don't keep then thinking and brooding over things. So I went on, completed my chartered accountancy, and then I got my degree. My father actually wanted me to become a CA, and I said, okay, fine, I'll become. And then I gave him the certificate. At the end of it, at the end of 4 years of absolute struggle, I realized this is not what I wanted to do. But by then my CV was made. So I had to go ahead with what I had. I joined a finance, I joined a banking industry, and then I started my struggle. I started working. Most of the time, most mornings, Monday mornings was like very tough for me to wake up and go to office. It was very challenging, but I said, no, I am the fighter. I have to do what I have to do. I have to give my best to what I have to do. Actually, I don't have anything else in my hand to do. So I will do what I have to do. Few years passed, धीरे धीरे वो पसंद आने लगा, and then you just moved on. With hard work, dedication, and all the values that you carry with you, you do get some success. You got promotions, I got salary hikes, I got status, I got leadership roles. I thought probably, yeah, maybe this is what it is. But years passed, a decade passed, more than a decade passed. It's then when it struck me that what am I doing and why am I doing this? What is the real purpose for me? To spend 10 hours of my every day doing something that I feel that I am done with it. Is there something more to me than this? Is there something that is the real point of me living here? What is it that I have to do? Why am I born? So these questions really bothered me and drove me to a point where, by then actually Steve Jobs was quite popular. So his quotes like, do the work you love doing and you never have to work the entire life was like hovering on my head. And I was like, wow, how is it that some people always find their purpose? Is there something I can do? And that's when my journey, self-discovery journey started. And it's allowed me to inquire further into myself and find out my true potential, passion, purpose, and interest. And through my core values, I figured out what is it that I have to do in my life. And that's when my purpose statement has become right now to help individuals. So what I went through, the pain I went through, the challenge I went through, spending more than 16, 17 years of my life, finding what my purpose is, I want to share it with people. I want them to curtail their journey, accelerate their journey, and not keep roaming around all over the place, feeling unhappy, sad, and not leading an inspiring life because they don't know what to do or they do not understand their interests and likes. So I wish to help and guide people in that area So far I have had I would say I was fortunate to be part of the life journey of few of the people who have now become, who are in the senior management levels. And this is I do help and mentor youngsters in their path. And as we move forward, let me ask you a question. How do you choose your career? Anyone, or shall I call out the name? Curious?
Just sort of the skills I've had based on that. So
Okay.
like I'm inclined towards drawing, so that's why I'm pursuing designing.
Okay, great. Awesome. Anyone else? Normally, how do people make their choice? Energetic? Aptitude? Great. Motivation? Superb. Job demand? Perfect. I like these answers. Based on marks? Absolutely right. Sometimes passion, sometimes liking. Superb. Money? Absolutely right. Who said money? Very good. Parents? Absolutely right. Superb, guys. So, life may we make decisions. Marks. How many of you have decided your career based on your marks? I guess you have all finished your graduation. So I guess you will relate to this. So how many of you have finished, based on marks? Superb. How many of you, parents and teachers, tell you are fantastic at this, you should do this? Excellent. Friends ने कहा ये बहुत interesting है. After 10th standard, we anyway don't believe our parents can contribute more in our lives. So friends become our best guides in our life. And wherever friends go, we also go. And one of them will take the lead and say, I know everything, and then everybody will follow. Superb. But इसमें सब क्या होता है? And then someone also said market trends. Believe me, I did all the 4 mistakes. And why would I call these mistakes? Excellent entrepreneur. I like it. It's good that you have found it. So what happens if you follow these 4 paths?
The thing is, when we follow these 4, we listen to everybody except ourselves.
Super. Excellent. You could just tell your name so that I can, yeah. Excellent. Whoever said that, because I couldn't see it. Sorry. Yeah.
It's Brinda.
Yeah. Hi. Thanks. Now I want to share a story with you. So these are the 4 mistakes we make. What is the biggest thing we don't do? How do you think one should make a choice? Of course, interest, passion सब है, मगर पता नहीं है तो क्या करोगे? Mentor, okay.
Maybe
Okay,
go for something.
I'll give you one example. Would anybody like to volunteer? Okay, adventurer. Super. Tell me, what is the last item you bought? I mean, it could be a shoe, a bag, a dress, something recently, which is very precious to you.
I think it was a pair of shoes.
Awesome. Could you just tell me what kind of shoe?
Nike. Sport shoes.
Yeah, so everybody listen, okay? So this is one example we are taking. You can apply it to your own examples. Okay, Nike shoes. Where did you buy it?
I bought it online. So
Okay. Awesome. And how did you decide about which Nike shoe you bought?
Based on my color preference, that kind of shoe, the design of the shoe. And,
So color, preference, design, and comfort?
And price. Comfort and price, of course.
Price. And did you also choose based on for what purpose you're going to use it?
Yeah, absolutely. I bought sports shoes because I needed those for run and stuff. So
excellent. So how long did you take to design? I mean, since when have you been thinking about this particular shoe?
I have been searching for different shoes, and I mean, I was scrolling through Amazon and everything, and I think it took about a week and a half of scrolling and finding different shoes and then deciding on one and then eventually ordering it.
But before that, you were thinking about it.
Yeah.
So that would have, you would have spent about a month thinking about changing your shoes.
Probably,
okay, then which shoes to buy, what should its characters be. And then you went about on the online, then you checked not just Amazon, Myntra mein bhi gaye, फिर Nike का store में भी गए, some 4-5 places, then you compared your price.
Correct.
And then you read about the description. You understood whether the comfort सच्ची में अच्छा होगा कि नहीं. You went through various reviews.
Yep.
And also photographs को zoom कर करके देखते हैं कि ये sponge बराबर है कि नहीं, whether this material is correct or not.
Absolutely.
So roughly you would have spent 1.5 weeks about actual searching, and then about 1 month thinking about it and observing around you. So almost, let's say about 1.5 months you spent for a shoe. How long do you think this shoe will last?
Maybe 2 years, 2.5 years.
But that depends on mileage, right? So if you run more, then probably it will break off faster.
Yep.
So let's say 1.5 years. And how much did you pay for it?
These were 2,000.
Awesome. So you spent 1.5 months searching for a shoe, which would last for 1.5 years, for which you paid 2,000 rupees. Excellent. How many of us spend? So what is the duration of your career?
Lifelong.
Guys, thank you, adventurer. So guys, what is the duration of your career? Okay, 5 years, 10 years. Career means it can be, you need not be in one job, you can be in multiple jobs, but till I die, okay. So let's say at least 30-40 years. And uske liye, how much will you earn in these 30-40 years? A lot of money, right? We can't even imagine today. Even if you say 1 crore, it will be probably less by the time you finish taking a break. And then you also have, and you earn a lot of money. And how much time and effort we put in to find the right career. कितनी बार हम वो description को खोल के देखते हैं इस तरह से zoom करके. How much time do we spend trying to understand our career? So guys, whether you are looking for a career growth, whether you are looking for a transition, whether you are looking to even move or consider an alternate career, it's important that you spend researching about what is that new field that you want to join and why you are going to join that. That's the most important aspect of career growth, which we completely neglect because we focus on marks, we focus on getting our education. But क्यों करना है वो उस पे focus नहीं होता है. So that's where I would like you to focus on, and I'll tell you what happens if you don't do it. So how many of you have, so this is going to be a very simple story, so that our stories are going to be very simple, so that the focus of the question and the relevance of the output is more to you. Someone says, the thing is, when we question ourselves, many a times we can't face the truth. True, very true. But usko paar karna to hai hame. We cannot stay stuck in that situation where we say we cannot face ourselves. What do you do then? The purpose of your life is to live an inspiring life, to live the way you want to live, to create what you have been born to create. So let me now ask a story. Okay, now somebody who has not participated, I would like them to answer. Shruti, social. Okay, cool. Just unmute. Have you heard of the hare and tortoise story?
Yes.
बचपन में सुना होगा ना, सबने सुना है ये सब. Can you in half a second, half a minute, can you summarize the story?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Sorry?
Slow and steady wins the race.
नहीं, आप story बताओ.
So it started off with a race, and the rabbit ran as fast as it could. Right after the finish line, it took rest, while the tortoise walked slow and beat the rabbit.
Super. Excellent. The story ऐसा है कि hare and tortoise, the hare challenged the tortoise, saying that, can you race with me? And the tortoise said, why not? And he jumped into the offer. And they both stood at the racing line and the race started. Now, before the race itself, all the onlookers decided that ye race to tortoise is going to lose. He's not going to go fast. It is not his ability to move fast, so he is going to lose it. And then the hare went. Hare also knew the tortoise is not fast, so he went ahead and he said, now so he is going to come aram se at his own pace, and I let me rest, and we know the story. Tell me something. What will happen if the same race was repeated again? So the hare went, lost it. He said, no, let's come. Let's do another race. You are anyway a winner. Now you will win again. So let's do a race again. Now what will happen?
Same mistake won't be repeated.
Perfect. Excellent. Rabbit, will he sleep now? He will run the race. दूसरी बार rabbit जीतेगा. तीसरी बार again, if the races happen. Now every time the race happens, who is going to win? Anybody? The rabbit is going to win. Now what will happen to the tortoise? अगर 10 साल वो tortoise hare के साथ भाग रहा है और हर बार वो हार रहा है, what will happen to the tortoise?
He loses confidence.
Absolutely. How will his confidence level be? Absolutely low. Will he have any motivation to run any race? Will he have any motivation to do anything in life? Now, let me put another scenario. Now, the tortoise realized that he is a swimmer. He invited the rabbit, let's go for a race, but this time in the water. Now who will win? The tortoise will win. Hands down, the tortoise will win. So my dear friends, before we start any race, it is very important to know which race are you going to run. थ्री इडियट्स में हमने देखा था फोटोग्राफर बनने जा रहा था इंजीनियर, but that's actually a reality. So many of us choose a career and we don't know what to do next. We just get into a race, and believe me guys, 10 years down the line, people will come to people like us telling me, now I don't know what to do. Can you at this moment change that, reverse that, and earn your 10 years or 20? I have people who are 50 years who come to me for my sessions, and say that I have spent 30 years of my life doing something I have not enjoyed. I don't know now, I may have 10 years, 12, 20 years, 30 years. I don't know how many years further I have. But at least now I want to live the life the way I want, to do what I love doing. If you don't know, find out. Now you will say, ये तो Steve Jobs भी बोलता था, ये तो सब लोग बोलते हैं follow your passion. लेकिन how? ये question है कि नहीं? How many of you have this question? You can type 1 on the chat box. Excellent. But before we go on to the how, I want to ask you, how did your grandparents make a choice of their career? आपके grandfathers जो job available था, एक job, एक career, 30 years, they will be proudly saying, I worked for this organization for 30 years. Most of our parents, what did they do? They would have taken one career, शायद वो finance होगा या engineering होगा या doctor होगा या कुछ तो something in that field, and they would have changed few jobs. And they would have experimented with different jobs. Companies change करते होंगे, मगर काम जो शुरू किया वही they would be doing largely. There could be small variations. But today's generation, where do you think you will be? Will you be having one job, one career through your entire life? One job, one career, many jobs, or whether you will be those who are going to have many careers and many jobs. When I say many careers and many jobs, you have people who are artists, who are dancers. They pursue their dancing. They create a business out of it. They are also working in a software company. They're also doing, TED Talks. They're also speakers. They're also influencers. They're doing so many things, and you are part of that generation. Some of you may already be doing it. And some of you may want to do it and want to know, how do I do it? I have that potential. How do I do it? Can I also do it? So guys, you could be in any of these three. That's a choice you can make. But when you are any of the three, the formulas remain very simple. They remain pretty straightforward. And then now we go on to hows. Thank you guys for participating on the chat. It's really nice to see a very interactive and enthusiastic group of people. So, have you all, this we did, yes. Now, do you all have taken a printout or recreated the manual? Do you have paper and pen? Yes. So what I would like you to do is, the manual is anyway shared in the WhatsApp group, so you can open that for instructions if required. The rest of the time, use the paper and pen and you can make your notes accordingly. Okay, so first exercise is this. Okay, before we start, how many of you are right-handed people? Awesome. Can I request others to come on video, please? How many of you are left-handed people? Okay, awesome. So whichever is your dominant hand. Okay, I am going to give you exactly 1 minute. And you will see some words, some sentences appearing on the screen. and you will start writing them. So are you all ready? First, keep your paper and pen and everything ready. Okay, so the time will start, I'll tell you, and I'll share the screen. There are some words, sentences written on the left-hand side of the page, and you have to start writing them with your dominant hand. All good? Cool? Awesome. Start. Your time has started. Okay, 20 seconds done. जितना जल्दी लिख सकते हो लिखो, जितना ज्यादा लिख सकते हो लिखो. There's just 5 sentences. There's some spelling errors, just skip it. Okay, 40 seconds. Okay, last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop. Okay, so in the chat, tell me how many points you could write, how many sentences you could write. Quick, 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 quick. 2, 2, 2. Awesome. Great. Superb. Excellent. 4. Wow. Superb. Excellent, guys. Fantastic. Well done. Now, we will do this exercise again, okay? Shall we start? But before we start, I have to, there's a change in the rule. Now, you will use the other hand. All the right-handers will use their left hand. All the left-handers will use their right hand. Cool? And this time, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Don't copy from now, from the previous ones. Okay, I know some of you are very smart, but we start now. Your time has started. एग्जाम में बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन आता है तो ऐसा लगता है ना. Okay, 1 minute done. You have 1 more minute. Okay, 30 seconds to go. अच्छे हैंडराइटिंग में लिखना, हाँ, आपको भी रीड करना आना चाहिए. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. How many words could you write? Not. किसी का sentence बना? Okay, superb. So how many sentences first? Awesome. Excellent. Excellent. Superb. Now, what happened here? Your right or the dominant hand was more. Did your dominant hand do more things than your non-dominant hand? So when you used your dominant hand, which is actually your strength, you could do more. It was easy. It was something which was very simple for you. Whereas left hand, yeah, left, yeah, right, whatever. The non-dominant hand, when you started using it, you had to struggle. आपको coordination में भी तकलीफ हो रहा था, है कि नहीं? कि वो पढ़ो, अच्छा ये लिखना है, ये hold नहीं हो रहा है. And in life, what we end up doing is our focus is always to work on those areas which is not our dominant areas. क्योंकि स्कूल में बताया गया है, every PTA, the teacher will tell, आपका बच्चा इसमें अच्छा नहीं है. तो हमने वही सुना है बचपन से, मैं हिस्ट्री में खराब हूँ, मेरा ज्योग्राफी अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं है. और and everybody's focus in the house will be to help you improve that. How many of you have experienced that? Superb. I assume it's true for most of us. And in the process, what we have done, जो आपका strength है ना, जो आपको आसानी से आता है, जो आप बहुत खुशी-खुशी करना चाहते हो, उस पे हमारा फोकस रहता ही नहीं है. और उससे क्या होता है, whole day you are ending up trying to do something which is not very easy for you, and you keep feeling sad about it, क्योंकि आसानी से नहीं आता है. कितना स्ट्रगल हुआ ना वो नॉन डोमिनेंट हैंड से लिखते समय, and you would have also thought ये मैडम क्या बोलती है, ऐसा क्यों लिखने को बोल रही है. I was so good with the other hand. So the first secret, guys, act based on your strengths. Anywhere, whether it is your job, whether you're going to do a business, whether you're going to even run a family, even build a relationship, always focus on your strength. Why? Because it comes easily to you. You are naturally born to do that. And when you do things which are your strengths, how is your confidence level? High or low? I assume it is high. And when your confidence is high, your productivity is going to be highest. A person who is introvert, who does not like to talk too much to people, is pushed into a role which requires a lot of talking to people. It doesn't come easily to him or her. And you know, everybody tells him, nahi, tujhe extrovert banna hi padega. Why? Can you not do something where you can be yourself and still do it, and still make money and still grow? When you do what is your strength, your self-esteem is going to be really, really high. And that is the key to your growth. All good till here? How do I identify my strength? ये किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं अभी तक मुझे, but मैं बता रही हूँ. I'm going to share a very powerful tool. Okay, this is a very simple tool, but really, really powerful. Take 30 seconds and list down in your activity book. There is a page, list of activities. Okay, so go there and write down every activity, major activities you do during the day. 30 seconds, start. So when I say major activities, it's you don't have to write brushing and taking bath and all that. Skip that. You know, when you said you're working, work में आप क्या क्या करते हो उसमें लिखो. Like, you know, I call clients, I prepare notes, I do, you know, I don't know what else you do. I code, if you're a doctor, I visit patients, I create files, I create folders. You know what job you do. So list down those kind of activities, both what you do in your job and what you do for pleasure. It could be even as simple as watching TV. Because you spend your time that way. Okay. I am running a little delayed, so we have to move fast. So 30 seconds are done. Now, what I want you to do is, so can anybody share? One person. Avish? Yes,
Yeah,
please share.
I can say that I am good at selling.
नहीं, आप दिन में क्या करते हो उसका लिस्ट बताओ.
Yeah, I'm good at selling.
Okay.
And handling the client's objections.
Okay.
And maintaining a good relationship with them.
Okay.
I would also say I'm good at increasing efficiency.
Okay.
And analyzing.
Okay.
Datas.
So you work on data analytics and preparing Excel sheets, spreadsheets. Superb.
Yeah.
Financial analysis, I suppose.
No, I'm into sales actually.
Sales,
and,
business analytics.
Yeah.
Awesome. Superb. So like this, each of you would have a list which you're doing. Now what you do is go to the next page. There is an activity which says that task 1. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? You have to mark. What is my initial response to that activity? वो जैसे आविश ने बताया, he enjoys sales. So the moment there is a sales call, I assume that you feel very happy, excited. You know, you just feel that bounce in energy in you. So is that something how do you feel for your activity? That's something you need to identify. Anybody would like to volunteer? I'll help them quickly so it becomes an example for others. Quickly unmute and tell. Yes, Dhanashri.
So you had asked us to list down the things we do in the whole day, and it was not work specific. So,
it was not work specific. You tell me what you have listed.
So I have written like small things like cooking and exercise in addition to work. So work, I have specifically written what I do in my work profile.
So,
yeah.
Superb.
So how
that's fine. That's fine. List down everything you do. This particular exercise can be applied for everything. So it's pretty dynamic in that sense. It's not specific to only work. So if you wish to share one task from that list, can you just name one of them?
Say workout or exercise.
Okay, workout. What is your initial response to that activity? आपको workout करना है, ये पहला सोच है. How do you feel? Good, bad, ugly?
Yeah, good. No,
Very good.
My question to you is, how will that help me in identifying my career?
Will come. That's next part two.
This exercise and cooking is right in this sense. No?
Yeah.
So that's what my question was.
No, that's right. That's right. So what is your initial response to the activity? Circle or write down. There are a list of words which are given. You can round up one of them. Does this task make me feel happy, excited, bored, irritated? There are some parts of your job which you may not like. For example, I was in audit. I never liked audit, but मुझे करना पड़ा because I was a chartered accountant. What I loved doing was solution providing, but I was not in that department. So I had to stick with audit for 2 years, and I kept feeling bored, irritated through the 2 years till I moved to a zone which was more what I am. I'm a more people person. I'm more a person who loves to interact. So I moved from that zone to the next zone. But the initial task which I did was not exciting for me. Next is, how do I feel when I perform? आपको फिर भी करना पड़ता है, तो sometimes you may get started and you may enjoy doing it. Sometimes you will not, you will get a headache. So do you get that? Does this activity come easily to me, or you have to really struggle to reach it? So for example, some people find it very difficult to understand numbers, but they are in a job which are numbers. So it can be said that it is very difficult for them. So you just have to be very objective about it without having any judgment. Good, bad, ugly, लिखो आपके activity के सामने. And as soon as you wake up, what is a thought that excites me? Which is that activity which is going to make me feel happy? So these are the 5. Broadly, they are interrelated to each other, but the reason you have written it in 5 different questions is that when you ask the same question in different formats, you yourself will get different answers, and that's what you have to record. So this is a record you create for yourself, which will help you identify your strengths. Because what is your strength? Your strength is something that is easy to you, comes naturally to you, and makes you feel good and increases your self-confidence. All good? So this is how you find your strength. Now what happens if you don't do that? We know. Now this is story time again. I'm just moving a little faster. I know you would like to take more time for doing this exercise, but I leave this exercise with you so that you can question yourself back after this program and then move ahead. Now, imagine there was a story, okay? This is a folk tale. Once upon a time, there was a lion cub which got lost. And it went and saw the herd of sheep. फिर वो sheep के साथ रहने लगा and वो sheep की तरह ही बात करने लगा. Sheep used to say meh. The lion cub also learned to say meh. Tried, but it didn't come. Nothing came. He just kept trying something. The sheep would go to graze. The lion would go to graze. And one day there was, and this time passed, and this little cub grew and became a full-fledged lion. But the little lion grew up to believe that he is a sheep. Now he continued, and the sheep were not afraid of this lion because they knew that this is like us, you know, ये हमारा भाई है, ये कुछ नहीं करेगा. And after some time, one day, there was a real lion, the king of the jungle, observing the whole thing, and he was wanting to hunt. And he was watching this group of sheep and this big lion standing there. And he was perplexed. What's happening here? Then he came towards the sheep, the group, herd, and then he asked. All the sheep ran away. But this lion, which was now a lion, the cub, which is now a lion, was very surprised. And he was admiring that lion. Okay, he was like, wow, ये कुछ अच्छा नया creature है. It's looking so fabulous, so fantastic. Very inspiring person he's looking like. And then the lion walked up to the cub. Yes, what are you doing here among this folk, this herd of sheep? Why are you not hunting? They are you're like the top of the food chain. You need to be hunting them, and they are your food. But what are you doing here? He got scared. He says, no. Hunting, I cannot do. Because how did he grow up with the sheep? How is the sheep? Always fearful, very afraid. It's a very timid animal, right? So the lion was very timid. He was also feeling very scared because he knew that his brothers had already run away, leaving him all alone. And he was also shaking up, but internally he knew that there was some connection with that lion. This lion said, come, let me show you who you are. He dragged him. He was बहुत डर के जा रहा था. गया वो. He went to the lake, and both of them peeped. And that's when this lion saw his own reflection. Not just his reflection, he saw his reflection, and he saw the lion. He said, how is it that you are here? Then both of them peeped, and then how are there 2 lions? That's when the lion revealed him who this cub was, what his potential is, and how he is actually the king of the jungle. And why should he live like a sheep? Are you with me, guys? How many of us do not know our potential and live the life like a sheep? Sheep में कोई खराबी नहीं है, लेकिन आप lion हो. The lion has to live the way the lions live. The sheep has to live the way the sheep lives. So the key thing is invest in your self-discovery. And why do I say this? This comes with many years of experience. And finally, this is something which is the key to take anything forward in your life. Discover who you are, know your potential, passion, personality, interest, and most importantly, find out your core values. What do you stand for? All good? How beautiful it is when your career and passion come together. How many of you are ready for secret number 2? Okay, before that, we'll take 3 deep breaths just to break the pattern. And I know everybody is in the lion mood. So let's take the 3 deep breaths and we move on to secret number 2. Okay, all good? Thumbs up. Superb. So what I want you to do is quickly take your phone or any other device, go to menti.com, okay, and type this code. And write down top 2 things you are looking for in your career. Just 2 things. Anyone has a doubt? Mila sabko? Okay, so when you start typing, this will start growing. So please start typing your 2 words that you are looking for in your career. Quick, quick, quick.
Can you give us the code again?
Yeah, it's written here, 2541-4470. 2541-4470. Superb. So the word that becomes more dominant is the word that most people have written. And the other words are, okay, interesting, wealth, popularity, environment, peace, attitude, success, satisfaction, money, happiness. Superb. So last 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop, guys. Excellent. So we see what we all want. Good. Just taking this a little further. भी जॉब हो या बिजनेस हो, मनी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं? अगर आपको जॉब मिला, if you have a job which pays you 15 lakhs and there is one more job offer paying you 8 lakhs, which one will you choose? एक 15 लाख दे रहा है, एक 8 लाख दे रहा है, तो आप क्या चूज करोगे? But obvious 15, right? So money is very important. So there is no doubt about it. Brand name, just taking an example of आपको एक जॉब मिला से Abhyudaya Bank, Abhyudaya Cooperative Bank and Citibank. Which one will you take? Citi, right? But obvious. So brand name is important. तो ब्रांड नेम और मनी हो गया तो गया पैशन वैशन सब भूल जाओ. हमको बहुत मजा है लाइफ में, मनी और ब्रांड नेम आ गया तो we will take it forward from there. How many of you have actually felt that way? I definitely did feel at that point of time. Then comes passion. Money or brand हो गया तो then you look for passion. कि I should be doing what I love doing. I should have a job which makes me satisfaction, gives me fulfillment. Then you look for growth. How do I grow here? मेरा promotion 2 साल में होगा, 1 साल में होगा. Should I join a startup? Should I join an established firm? Etc. Then you look for learning. And then there is one more interesting thing people look for. Can somebody tell? किसी ने बताया होगा?
Work-life balance.
Yeah. So someone may have said, Daddy, आप लड़की के बाप को जाके बोला होगा कि 2 साल रुकिए, मैं पैसे कमा के आता हूँ, मेरे पास अच्छी नौकरी होगी और then I will come and marry your daughter. Personal reasons हो सकता है ना? So that also makes a big difference when you make a choice in your career. Sometimes you take a loan, you want to fulfill that loan. Papa bimar hai, some challenges in the house, you want to do it. Now, take the next sheet and write down in less than 30 seconds, what is it that your dream job or career should look like? Samjho, leave aside all inhibitions. What is that dream company you want to join? What is that dream role you want to do? Role matlab, don't give me vice president and director and stuff like that. Role means what you will do. And what is the CTC that you want? Now don't go back into the past and say, mera qualification ye hai, mera ye hai, wo hai. Forget all that. Just focus on what you want. So for people who are looking to start their own venture, write down what is the name of that dream company, which you will name. When you say role, describe what you will do as part of that entrepreneurship. And when you say CTC, replace CTC with revenue.
Ma'am, what if there is no company?
नहीं, आज नहीं रहेगा ना, आप बनाओगे ना?
No, it's not a company. Like, it's a role which I'm sure of, but there's no such company for it as it's a creative field.
नहीं, आप सोचो, या तो you will be on your own, or you will join somewhere.
Okay.
Okay. So if you're on your own, you will still give a name to that venture. If you're joining somewhere, that venture will have a name. So you should have that name right now with you. So for example, Vineet, what is the dream job, dream company or business you want to have?
So my dream company is Amazon.
Superb.
And dream role is as a senior software developer.
Okay, software developer. Okay.
And my dream CTC. So this is like, I have a question in this actually. These things are also up to a point, no? Like there's always something more after that. Like
हाँ, अभी आपको क्या चाहिए? आपका dream में क्या चाहिए? Where is it that level which will make you feel good and happy?
Is it like
that
a
is what you have
or
to write.
Short term? Like if I say a dream.
As of today, what is going to make you happy? That's it.
Okay, then
I'm not talking about 10 years later. I'm not talking about 15 years later. I'm talking that if sitting back today. So for example, I'll say in 2002, when I started my job, I felt that if I get 25 lakhs, it's like ultimate for me. Like super, I feel like I have arrived. Of course, when I reached there, I changed. But in 2002, what I felt like, I can share it. So right now, what do you feel, where you feel arrived is what you have to write.
Okay.
So all good? Superb. Now I want to move. This is the most important thing as to how you will get there. Okay. Now I want you to imagine yourself 6 months down the line. सबने लिखा है ना अपना अपना. Be honest with yourself. Now, imagine 6 months forward, you have actually got what you wanted. आपका जो ड्रीम रोल है, आपका जो कंपनी है, suppose Vineet wants Amazon, he has got into Amazon, he's got the position or the role as a senior business software developer, and his CTC, whatever he has not told us, he got it. Okay? And imagine all of you have got it. How are you feeling now? I can see that big smile on everybody's face. Superb. Isn't that so exciting and so happy? Now, ये आपको, today is what date? Today is 5th of June. Say 5th August आपको ये job आपके हाथ में letter आ गया है. Now, interview happened on say 25th of July. Interview, everybody has attended interviews. Good. And of course, there's a gap. So, आप गए 25th July, आपका इंटरव्यू था. अभी तो सारा कुछ Zoom में हो रहा है. तो Zoom में आपका पहला इंटरव्यू हुआ. You felt you cracked it, and you got the, you felt very happy and good about the whole thing, that the conversation went off really well. Whatever you discussed, they were very receptive, and it was just like a dream come true in front of you. And at the end of the meeting, they told you, we will get back to you. We think you're a good candidate. We will get back to you. And then, of course, there was a wait period. And on 4th August or 5th August, you got the email saying that you have been chosen. Superb. Now, let's rewind a little bit. 25th का आपका इंटरव्यू हो गया, फिनिश हो गया 6 बजे रात शाम को. इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ 4 o'clock. वो 6 o'clock के पहले 5:30 everybody was talking to you about saying that okay, they, when they are finishing the conversation, they will be like, आप अच्छा अभी बताओ आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपके घर में कौन है, आपके भाई बहन क्या कर रहे हैं, आपके पिताजी ने क्या किया. All that casual talk start happening in the last 10-15 minutes. ऐसे ही होता है ना? And you feel that, okay, it's good, getting good. And now, imagine you are at 4 o'clock. You're all tense. You're all tense, you're worried, you don't know what will happen. You are really, this is a dream job and you really want it. But there is something you do in that 1.5 hours. 4 to 5:30, something you do that creates magic. I want you to think, what did you do in that 90 minutes? कि आपका जो ड्रीम कंपनी है बोला कि आप मेरे सही कैंडिडेट हो. When does the company or your customer believe that you are the right candidate for them? Can anybody answer?
I guess when they see the truth in our eyes, that whatever we are saying is something true. I think that's the main factor.
Okay.
When we are following the guidelines and showing the results.
Okay.
I think when we fulfill their needs.
Okay.
The candidate needs.
Okay. What do you mean by fulfill? Is it about qualification skills you're talking?
So like if I'm going for a sales job, so when I'm making them convinced that I will be able to sell for their company. If I'm going for acting like for casting, so if they feel I'm the right actor for them, then they will select me.
Good. बहुत लोग आते हैं ना यही बोलने के लिए. How many people are getting in interpersonal skill? Okay. Many people attend the interview, but why should you be that candidate? So let me reveal the secret to you guys. What is it that makes you the best candidate? The key factor is, what is the value you are able to add to the company? Now, let me give an example. Today, when I run my own business, and if I have to employ somebody, 10,000 भी मुझे देना है, तो मैं क्या सोचूंगी? अच्छा, 10,000 इसका सैलरी है, उसके ऊपर उसका टेलीफोन बिल है, उसके ऊपर उसका other expenditures are there, and then the time on training. Actual cost for me is almost 20,000. And what am I going to get? उसको मैं 20,000 दूंगी, तो मुझे सामने से 2 लाख तो कमाना है. अगर मैं नहीं कमाऊंगी, तो what is the point of hiring somebody? So guys, write down, it is always the value you create to the person, to your customer, to your employer. People don't pay you salary because you're good. People don't pay you salary because you are having a certain qualification. People do not pay you salary because you have certain skills. वो तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. But among 100 candidates, why one candidate is chosen? The person who can deliver, convince about the value that they can add. And इसमें value कैसा होगा? या तो आप revenue में increase दिखाओ, या तो cost में घटाओ. Somewhere you have to show them that you are the person who can do that. So the formula is, if you want a salary of X, the value you have to create for the person is equal to 10x. All good? This is the mantra, guys. कुछ भी करो, whether you do business, your customer will pay you the value. आपको iPhone क्यों? Why do you pay 30,000 rupees for a smartphone? Not because it is nice, not because it has security. You pay it because you feel it has a lot of perceived value. 2,000 rupees का shoe, why do we buy? 500 रुपए में भी मिलता है. Because we know that it has a much bigger value than the price I am paying. All good? So how many of you are ready to level up from here on and take charge of your life and find that dream job, find that dream profile and that CTC? Raise your hand. This is the key, guys. The value you can add so that the person is convinced that you are right person for the job is the real mantra for this, and you have to find that answer. Because आपका CV is standardized. Everybody creates. It's like a menu card. हर restaurant में वही menu card है, लेकिन हर restaurant का quality and the value they add to you is different. There is a difference between 3-star and a 5-star. And you know that there is a value. That's why you pay. So how many of you are ready for level up? To move from confusion to clarity. To move from a default inaction state where we are today. In a state of confusion, you can't move. You don't know your destination. That's how the car is. You may have the car, you have the petrol filled, you have the driver. पर जब तक आपका डेस्टिनेशन पता नहीं है, गाड़ी सामने नहीं जा सकती है. But the moment you know your destination, the action will be so fast and you know at the speed at which you want to move forward. Status quo, very confused. I don't know, lack of clarity. To an exciting future. Create that exciting future for you. Be curious to know your passion. Learn the art of networking. build your personal brand, learn growth habits, build your vision board, and design your path. So how many of you are ready for taking this journey? Are you ready? And guys, if you are ready, I have created a special program, which is just a 3-day intensive workshop, a total of 7 hours in all. And I will help you with each and every tool that is required for you to get there. And this, believe me, is a culmination of my 20 years of experience moving through various journeys, being an entrepreneur, being a corporate person, being, a startup, and to now into coaching. Have done the career transitions, career growth, and the career movements. And so I understand what it is to be in different segments. So this is the 3-day intensive workshop, which will help you, which has 7 hours of coaching. It's live sessions. It is not a recorded program. So it's not like Coursera में आपने click किया वो वीडियो चलता रहा और हम कुछ देख रहे हैं, आधा समझ में आ रहा है, there's nobody to get a feedback from or ask a question. It is personal live session like this. You will be equipped with the Level Up toolkit, and you will have a group of buddies who will share the same purpose for which you are working for. So this will be on a Thursday, Saturday, and a Sunday. Very convenient times, 2 days, 1.5 hours in the evening, and Sunday you will have the masterclass for 3 hours. And this comes for you at a really, really, very, very low price. It's lower than the phones that you use, the shoes that you wear, the bags that you use. And probably you have spent a lot on your education. And this is the one which is going to take you up to the next level. So connect with me on this, but I have some special bonus for you. Are you all excited? Okay, great. The bonus is, आपको सीखने के बाद उसको apply कैसे करना है? There will be a 1-week WhatsApp challenge. So the group will continue as it is. Every day one task will be given, which you have to complete and submit on the group, which will be reviewed and the feedback will be given to you. And these are all challenges which will make those learnings into action. क्योंकि जब तक आप एक्शन में कन्वर्ट नहीं करते हो तब तक वो लर्निंग का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. All good? Excited? And there is one more surprise for you all. And the price for you guys, especially for people attending today's session, has been dropped. Because I want you guys, you are part, as I started the session, this is my home ground, this is my family, and so the price definitely drops. And there is one last secret which I want to share. If you give me 5 minutes, I will share that and then I will tell you. Are you all okay with me? Can I take 5 minutes of your time? Thank you so much. Now, how many of you feel that YouTube is free? Free है ना YouTube? WhatsApp free है? Facebook free है? Facebook is not free? Okay. Do you have to pay for Facebook? Okay. Who says yes? Who says no? When everybody is muted, it's tough for me to understand. Yeah. So somebody can just unmute and say.
YouTube Premium is paid.
Yeah. No, otherwise, if I don't pay premium and all, is it free or no? Can I access it freely? मुझे Instagram free मिलता है कि नहीं? Reels देख सकती हूँ कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? Free है ना? Do you agree it's free? Primarily, it is free. You can go for premium products later. Okay, good. So it is free. Actually, ना, वो free नहीं है. I'll tell you why. But for this, I will take you back to one old story where how many of you have heard the story of the evolution? Whether you believe in God or not, I will still tell this story. So God one day decided, I have to create universe. And he created the universe. He started with one cell organisms. Then he moved on to multi-cell organisms. Then he created the fish and the ocean and the sea creatures, everything. And then he created an amphibians. Then he moved on to the land. He created lots and lots of animals. Pata hai na ye story sabko? And then finally, all the animals were created, plants were created, animals, under the water, everything was full. Now he said, I have to create one more thing. And then he said, okay, I've done everything. Now let me create one person who is like me. So he created a human being. Okay. Now when he created human being, he said, I will empower this human being. Then the human beings started doing, they did have all the powers to create, which other animals and things cannot create, because they have the power to think. Further to that, we had an industrial, we started as being hunter-gatherers. From being hunter-gatherers, we moved on to becoming, farmers, agriculture setup. Then from agriculture, you moved on to become industrials. Industrial revolution happened sometime in the last 100 years. And then subsequently, in the last 25, 30 years, we had the information revolution. So we have IT companies, software companies. Now, what is that thing which is going to be the next in revolution? Industrial revolution ho gaya, farming, agriculture ho gaya, information revolution ho gaya. Now, what is that thing which is going to be the focus where all of them are going to work? And you have that in plenty. You have it. It's like you are having gold and they are running after your gold. Superb. Can I share the secret now? Time, very good. Somebody said time. Intelligence, superb. They are running after your attention. Where is your attention? They want your attention for everything. 5-minute videos became 3 minutes. 3-minute videos became 1 minute. 1 minute has become 30 seconds. वो 30 second रील देखने के चक्कर में हम उनको 1 घंटा देते हैं. How many of you felt that way? Netflix क्यों हमको 200 रुपए महीने में देता है? 299 I think is the price, right? Because they want your attention. Your attention is gold, is worth gold. The more viewers they get, the more money they make. The more people are there on their website, the more money they make. They are growing. Based on what? Your attention. Your attention is worth gold. Where you put your attention, you make that grow. अगर आपका attention अपने पे है, अपना growth पे है, my focus, my future, you will grow. How many of you had issues with focus? So, where focus is, energy flows there. I know for sure many of you as children would have joined either a swimming class or a badminton class or a football class or tabla class, singing class. Some or the other class your parents would have definitely put you. In those classes where you felt very happy, where you would spend a lot of time doing it. What happened? You started excelling in that subject or in that art form or in that sport. Why? Because your focus was completely there, your attention was there, your energy flowed into that activity. Today, where is your attention? जैसे ही फोन में एक नोटिफिकेशन आता है, my focus goes there, my attention is shifted and I lose it. My trail of thoughts get lost. So guys, this is the biggest secret of all, and I want you to focus on your growth. Ensure where your focus is and ensure that your energy flows there. Because that is how you create your future. Now, I have finished all the secrets, and now still I have to share with you one last point, which is what is the price of Level Up? How many of you want to join Level Up? Raise your hand. How many of you think it is going to add value to you? It will create and take you to the different level. So there is just two things I will ask. I have dropped the price. Two things I want you to do is follow. Right now, pick your phone and just click the button, follow button for Vivol Labs and careercoach.radhika, because that's where I put all my posts related which tips and techniques which will help you forward. But they are again 30 seconds, so you will not get anything more than 30 seconds. But Level Up is a course which you will focus, where your attention will be completely there and your energy will be there. And I wish that after this session, you go to the LinkedIn and share a post about what were your learnings from this session. And you can tag me, because if you do these two things, you will get a special bonus prize. And you have to share screen with me about the fact that you followed and you have also written a post and tag me. Cool? Are you all ready? So the price is dropped. It's 50%. Imagine you get 7 to 8 hours of personal coaching, 1 week of hand holding, and a complete interactive live session, all for just $4,999. It's not for me, it's for you that you're going to gift yourself. So if you're ready, click right now and take this offer for you. I'll share the link and in the chat group. And show your interest in that. I've sent the form. Did you all get it? Cool. Awesome, guys. So you click that form, show your interest right away. So we'll connect with you and you can take the step forward, level up, and take charge of your life and create something beautiful for yourself. Don't remain in a status of being stuck. I'm telling you, it will take you 5 years, 10 years. You will go around the world and come back to this juncture once again saying that, okay, let me now invest in myself and take charge. I have been there. I have done that. I have spent a lot of money learning on various factors. And then finally, this is what I realized. This is where I want to give this back. And you know that the charges are really very low. It's not something which is that you don't spend at all. Myntra में एक bill 5,000 के नीचे आता नहीं है किसी का भी, वो मुझे पता है. So that's how it works. So take this, gift yourself, more importantly, and take charge. Thank you so much for being a patient listener. Now I open the forum for question and answers. We have 10 minutes if we can extend. But if we are all good, then great. You can share your learnings on the chat. Quickly.
I request everyone to raise your hand, the blue hand on Zoom, and one by one you can take them. Is that okay?
Someone asked some question. Why is developing focus the most difficult thing to do? Superb question. Who is it? Can you just unmute yourself? Bold.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the challenge?
Ma'am, anything of that sort. Like, why is it so difficult to, put attention to one particular thing? Why is it that we are so diverted?
ये आंसर आपको करना है. Why do you feel diverted? What is it that is attracting you? So definitely something else is attracting you more than what you're doing at this point of time.
Many options are distractive for me. Like, I can see a lot of options in front of me, and I think that's something.
So you have any specific area where you feel distracted, or is it very general?
It's general also. You can also say, like, there are a lot of career options, or there are a lot of things around us. We have a lot of choices. Yes. So how to make that one choice?
Perfect. So very good question, bold. That was a bold question. Good. The challenge is when you go to I'll give you an analogy. You are invited for a reception and there is a whole bouquet of buffet dinner is offered to you. एक काउंटर में Italian है, एक में Chinese है, एक में bhel and papdi chaat is there. One side you have Indian, one side, of course, now Corona, we can't go anywhere. We have to do only with photographs. But once upon a time, we used to go for all these weddings. Now, when you have so many options and you don't know which one to choose, थाली तो एक है, पेट तो एक है, वो 250-300 grams के ऊपर तो आपको भूख लगेगा नहीं. So how do you make those choices?
Actually, I'm quite aware of what I like. So I have a sweet tooth. So I definitely binge on to eating cakes or pastries wherever I go, or something sweet.
So when you are aware of what you want to do, you exactly pick what you want. When you are not aware, what do? You try. Isn't it? You will take little portions and you will try. So how do you emulate it with a career? आपने कोई career अभी शुरू किया है और आपको लग रहा है दूसरा career शायद मेरे लिए अच्छा हो सकता है. So what do? You have to try. Take up some small parts and learn. See if you can actually volunteer somewhere. See if you can do some part-time work. See if you can help somebody in that area and experience how it feels for you. Because my experience may be very different from your experience. I may not like sweets, but you like sweets. So you will go to take sweets. If I don't like sweet, I will tell you that it is a very bad choice. So one of the key things is definitely that you have to discover yourself. Because तभी आपको पता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए. Only when you know what you want, you can go after it. I hope that answered your question.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyone else? Can somebody share how they felt the session? Your quick learnings, humble. Share 2 points which you really felt very resonating.
Actually, when you were sharing your own story of how you were utterly confused at the beginning and you did what people told you to do, I related to that a lot actually, because in India what typically happens is when you're in 10th or 12th, there are, you have a certain amount of marks, you end up doing what the 2-3 things that everyone does, and 18 and 20 is not somewhere I realized what I like to do. So then you have to follow that path. Once you study that, you get a job in that, and then now the entire confusion of, oh, I don't like to do this anymore. So that is something I completely related with, and I have a lot of follow-up doubts regarding that. That question as to, even if you know now that what you like, how, whether it's feasible to do in your own country, and every other question as to, you're not skilled in that area. How do you make that journey of, actually figuring out to the
niche. Okay, so this is the field now. This is the kind of, how do you figure out, okay, these jobs will take you, even though you've studied something completely different. So that's a place where I'm struggling currently.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that very humbly. But yes, so certainly it's a process, which is precisely the reason the course, three-day intensive course has been created. It's like a concoction of toolkits which will help you discover yourself and help you to take that jump. So honestly, it's not something I can explain in 1 minute, but yes, self-discovery once again is the process. Then you find out the path, what you need to do for it, and then you have to take action on it, which will enable you to reach where you want to reach. Yes, there will be a certain time, there will be a certain process related to it, which you have to follow to get what you want. But believe me, what you want, you can achieve. That is the moot point. If you feel at this moment that this is not what I want to do, because you're very convinced that I have to make the shift, you have to have a different thought process and a mindset to create that new thing, because the people who are surrounding you are not going to help you, because they have not done it in their life. They will not understand what you want, and they are not going to, they will only tell you, "Arey, acha kar rahe ho, usi mein kar lo na, kya itna magajmari kar rahe ho? Why do you have to think about all these factors?" I know this is how the surrounding will tell. Take that step forward, have a mentor in your life, have a coach in your life. It's not that you have to come to me, you can have anybody in your life, but make that action to move. If you need to connect with me, you can definitely connect with me on offline. Anyone else? Sorry, I thought you completed.
Yeah, sorry, I just have a follow-up. So this workshop, does it happen on a recurring basis? Like, will it also happen after June in case those dates are not ideal to attend?
So far, it's not been planned, but this first cohort, this is the first cohort which is happening as a 3-day program, because I generally do only a 9-week program. But I realized that most young professionals need things fast. It's like an Insta reel. So 3-day program is what I have culminated, and it's the first batch. So after that, we will take it forward. But right now, it's not on the anvil. This is the first time, and of course, there will be a lot that will be shared. Anyone else would like to share? Sanjit? Share 2 points that you really resonated today in the program.
Yeah, so my 2 points which I resonated was, the first one is, when you have confidence, your productivity increases drastically. And the second one is the value you can add to your company. So I'm currently a CA student actually. So I'm currently pursuing my CA intermediate. So sometimes when I'm in my classes, or when I having doubts in my sums, I get this feeling of low confidence. And then that makes me, overthink a lot, and then wonder, is this course actually worth it for me? But then, seeing that if you're confident in your sum, and if you know, okay, if the sum doesn't go right, try it in another way. So you can, if you're confident in it, your productivity does increase. And also the fact you mentioned about adding value to your company, that kind of hit me a lot, because it showed me that, it basically shows how I use the skills, how I use what I know to help add growth to the organization. So those are the 2 things I resonated with.
Thank you so much, Sanjit. Anyone else would like to share their learnings? Aarti? Malti?
Yeah, definitely. I just love the stories that you told us, and it is so very easy to relate to the story, especially that hare and tortoise. Like, he will be winning every time, the hare will be winning every time, but the tortoise, then he calls him to his field where his expertise are. So these are the very small things, and which is very impactful, and it leaves a long-lasting impression on your mind as well. And that value thing, definitely, I would like to say that to get X, you have to give 10X. That was very, very interesting.
Thank you so much, Malti. Thank you so much for sharing. Aarti?
Ma'am, the first point I would like to share is about what you said about confidence. So
Sometimes when I feel like when I'm doing some task or something, like generally, I feel like I have a kind of low confidence, and then sometimes then after that I think that okay, this particular task whichever they've given, I can like do it with focus and lot of how to say it, like yeah, you have to put a lot of focus and you have to put the important points of whatever you've done. So this is what this is my first point. Second point, as such, what you told about the stories and this one actually like made me think about like how should I relate this in my daily life and how I should like do it. So this is what I want to. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Yeah, Vineet? Yeah, I think.
Yeah, one of the most amazing things in this was that when the first secret which we did, we saw that normally we compromise on what we love, or because we think if we do what we love, the society is not ready for it, you will not get success, you will not get money. But that is a myth which is in our heads. It's just a build up. We are scared of what we'll because a lot has to do with our training, and some wrong notions in our head. So that was very powerful for me. Yes, do what you love in the very field you are. So like actually Swami Chinmayanand, who is the founder of Chinmaya Mission, he used to say this, do what you love and love what you do. So it goes both ways. Sometimes, let's say, just take a student example. You may love 3-4 subjects and you don't love that subject, but at least love it that much that you pass in that subject. Even in a company, it will be like this. There will be 10 people. You may really gel with 3-4 people, but you may not gel with 1 or 2 people, generally a boss. But you have to accept it and move on and focus on what you really love. So that was very powerful. And if I can say one more suggestion on the focus and concentration aspect, which is universal, it works in every field, even in that love is one of the keys to concentration. So Swami Vivekananda, he would say that we all know his story, right? He would just read a book and he would memorize really fast. That was his power. And the secret was that his complete involvement with what he did. There was complete love. So that is, if we are struggling with focus, with concentration, that is one of the key. Like Sachin Tendulkar doesn't have a focus problem in cricket. If he had to probably do singing or something, he would have a huge problem in concentrating and focusing and learning. But his heart is in cricket, that's why he becomes leader. Not like he is some superhuman at focus, whatever he does, he will be at that level. So it's the love connection which brings it. And thank you so much again for today's session. It was so insightful.
Most welcome, and thank you everybody for patiently listening, and I hope I added a lot of value to you all. And yes, we overshot a bit, and thank you for being patient on that. So we wind up the session, Vineet?
Yes, Radhika ji. If there are any other questions, is it okay if we can take it on the group?
Yeah, we can take it on the group, or you can connect with me. The numbers are there. And yes, do participate and take benefit of the new program. Because honestly, these are things which are very practical, and it's not something which is taught in schools, nor your office will teach you.
True. Thank you so much, Radhika ji. We are very grateful at Chinmaya Yuva Kendra to have you take this session for us. And we're very grateful to all the participants who joined in. I can see from the energy that they really liked it. The enthusiasm is high. Even though it's been a long session, the excitement is high. So that's amazing. We'll conclude with a short prayer and thanking everyone for this great opportunity. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaः, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityurmam Amritam Gamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om. Thank you everyone for joining. Hari Om.